In this video, we're going to be evaluating a common logarithm. So, a common logarithm is a logarithm with base 10. What I'm going to show you only works for logarithms with base 10. In example A, we have x is equal to 10. Now, if you're using a calculator, you're simply going to hit your log button, type in 10, and then you're going to hit enter. Okay, remember what this means here when x is 10. What I mean is log of 10. That's essentially what we are evaluating. Let's get our calculator out. Remember, this is specifically for a TI calculator. Almost every calculator, though, has a log button. So I'm going to hit log, just type in 10, close my parentheses, and hit enter. Not every calculator uses parentheses, so you want to be a little bit careful with that. So my calculator, when I hit the log button, it automatically opens parentheses. So I actually do have to close the parentheses. Let's look at another one. X is equal to 1/3. So this means log base 10 of 1/3. I'm going to hit my log button. It automatically opens parentheses for me. If it doesn't, you would have to hit the parenthesis button. So I'm going to put that in red because that's not always going to happen. Then you're just going to type in 1, and then the divided by button that indicates your fraction bar. 3, then you're going to close the parentheses, and then you're going to hit enter. So let's do that on my calculator here. We have log, parentheses open, 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, close the parentheses, enter. We get negative 0.477. So I probably should have written this up here. This was equal to 1. This was equal to about negative 0.477. And our last one, x is equal to negative 2. So this is log base 10 of negative 2. We're going to type in or hit the log button. Then you're going to hit the negative button. Remember, that's a negative in parentheses. Hit the 2, and then hit enter. So log, hit the negative button, 2, close parentheses, enter. And you can see this calculator gives me quite an answer. It is an imaginary number. Most calculators are going to give you an error. And let's see if I can find a calculator on here that's going to give you an error. Let's see if how this one works. Okay. So if I were to hit log negative 2 equals, okay, this gives me nan. That means error on this calculator. Let's see what it looks like on another calculator. Now, I'm sort of experimenting here. I don't use all these calculators. Generally use the TI one. So log negative 2. Ooh. Well, this one I might have to hit negative 2 first. Negative 2, log. Okay, not a number. Gives me an answer. Does not give me an answer. So, to make a long story short here, when you take a log of a negative number, you are going to get an error. Let me just explain that real quickly. So, this is log base 10 of negative 2, and we're looking for the answer. 10, let's rewrite this in exponential form. 10 to what power is negative 2? Well, if we have a positive number, raised to a power, there's just no way we can get a negative answer out of that, right? If y is positive, then we get values that are large. If y is 0, we get an answer of 1. Right? 10 to the power of 0 is 1. If y is negative, we get fractions. We get really small numbers, right? 10 to the power of -3 is 1 over 1,000. So there is no possible way we can get a negative answer from using a positive base. Okay, and that is how you evaluate a common logarithm using a TI calculator.